Hi everybody, it's RetroYuuki once again, giving you guys a server update for our server for the Mudae bot. And I cannot wait to deliver this update. And we have a lot of stuff for you guys to look at. But first and foremost, I want to say thank you to everybody who has been checking out the content, especially our live streams recently with our games. And there's a lot more Mudae to come. And I just wanted to tell you guys about the community tab. If you guys are not aware, so we do have the community tab, and I want to explain that just a moment here. So you guys are aware that we do have it. So you guys can start voting on stuff. And we'll get to our server in just a moment. But on the main channel now, we have the community tab. And starting very soon, we guys are going to be able to vote on which Mudae bot or which tutorial bot you want me to use for the tutorial Sundays. So there's no poll for you guys today just because I just wanted to get it started. But starting next week, you guys will be able to vote for which bot you want me to do a tutorial for that Sunday. Okay, so get ready for that, and I am very excited to bring it to you guys for this one. Okay. However, now I do want to give you guys to the server. So let's go right over to our server here for our Mudae bot, and I want to show you guys what's coming up and what's new. So I would like to say thank you to our 370 members who just joined our server. So I want to say thank you guys for joining the server. The link to the description, the link to our server will be in the description below if you guys want to join in on the fun. We have Mudae bot, we have Karuda bot, we have Rin bot, Sumo bot, and Laifu bot. Which is our brand new one now. Remember, that one is in testing right now. So everything can change. Now, some of the things are new to the server here. Not much, but there is one big one that I want to talk about. A few big ones. So as you guys can already see here, we have a private room already bought. So if you guys are not aware that you guys can buy private rooms in our server here, and I say our because I want to make it as a community. So you may have not noticed, but we have a called Mudae Shop, and this is exclusive to our server for the moment. So as you guys can see here, our outer admin Purple has a shop here. You can purchase items for our Mudae server where you can buy a character reset, character keep after reset. So when we do our bites the dust, actually keep a character should you buy a character after reset depending on the rank. For example, it will cost you Kakera and you have to give it to Purple, not to me. You can claim a player or character with 5,000 or 501 or less for the rank for 15,000 Kakera, or the top 10 is 46,900 Kakera. However, the 2 character limit is 2 characters per reset, so be very careful. You can only have 2. You can also have a rolling channel, as you probably just saw over here. As you saw over here in our room here, right here, you can have one for 190,000 Kakera for a permanent one, or for a temporary one, 96,000 Kakera. If you guys like to add images, you can have 5,000 Kakera for 10 other images for a character. Make sure you message Purple for more information. Okay, I do not have a shop yet. I don't have a shop yet, but that might change in a moment. Because one of the other things that we are potentially adding, is a paid role. Now, what do you mean by paid role? What you may have not noticed is that Me6, the bot that we use for the role selection, has added a new feature. Here we go, the role selection stuff. Me6 has added a brand new feature that allows you to use paid membership roles to support the server. Allow me to show you guys on the internet, on the browser window. So for example, so we go to my Me6 here. This is a brand new feature that just released. So let's go ahead to check it out for our server here. So as you guys can see, we have memberships. Now, this is not active yet because it's not open yet. But you can basically pay for a role to get a role for the server, and you get to support the server and myself. For example, let's say it's like a Patreon membership, but on Discord. So you have a tier A for $5 a month, tier B for $25 a month, or tier C for $125 a month. But that is an example, so it won't count. Okay, so you get A, B, and C, row A, B, C, and you might get something special for that. We are still working out the details. I'm still working. I'm going to talk to Purple about it if he's on board. But like I said, I'm gonna be what's this? I'm going to be transparent with you what I'm going to use the money for. The money will be used for a few things. Number one, if you guys do not know, for gaming we are doing a Maple Story funded class, and some of the money will be used for that particular project or that particular series. Number two, you guys can help our server out by doing the thing here. Number three, I'm going to be also using the money for any paid memberships I use for streaming and other material to give you guys what you like. Okay, and number four, I'm working on something very special for our something something. I cannot tell you what that something something is because it's a surprise. But that's all I'm going to say, okay? So that's how it works. That's how it's going to work. You have to have a PayPal. You have to have a PayPal. Okay, keep that in mind. And I can make like tiers and different stuff, okay? So we're working on some other stuff for you guys in terms of this. Okay? So that's something to look forward to in the future, okay? Not right now. We're still working on the detail. And one more server announcement, or one more thing I want to talk about with our server. We might have a server cleanup soon, so keep that in mind. So we are working on a server cleanup, so watch out for that. I might remove some channels right away. So we'll see what's going on with that, because what I'm working on is trying to make it clean for everybody. Because right now we have a lot of channels that I don't see a lot of people use. Now, you may have noticed there is a gaming section. There is a gaming section right here, the RetroYuuki content, but that's private because I want to make sure not everybody gets the notifications, because certain people can get them using the row selection screen here, as shown on your screen. And the only reason why is because I don't want people to start spamming me with notice of spamming, and I don't want to do that. Okay, so that's why I only do it for certain rows. So you have to go to the row selection channel, go to this particular area here, and go to here, the little controller, if you want to see more RetroYuuki gaming content. Otherwise, you can choose the fox for the reaction videos and the crown for the Maker King content coming soon again. I'm gonna do that again for you guys. Okay? So that's basically it for now, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you guys are interested in gaming only and not Mudae, I have a server for you, and that is the Yuki Den, where it's similar, but it's all gaming. Okay? All gaming and reaction video. Okay? So that's all I have for you guys now. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Links in the description, links up to my servers in the description below if you guys are interested. But for now, everybody, that is it for you guys. That's it. We'll see you guys on our next video.